Hi everyone, it's Vicky here and let's play with the July art journal kit by Stamperia today. Remember, in the crafting community it is always Christmas in July. This is when all the new Christmas releases are coming out. First of all, it includes the junk journal, and this is the classic Christmas themed one. You will find beautiful classic designs, you will find your ornaments, your Christmas trees. Look how beautiful those designs are. Some of the pages are going to give you background pattern papers, others are stickers, and there are also the cutout elements. Keep in mind the cutout elements are printed front and back. If all the designs in the booklet were not enough, you get a full pack of ephemera. Tons of designs in this pack, as you can see, that match of course the junk journal booklet. And then you get even more focal points for your projects, and this is a pack of die cuts. This is the stencil included, I will be using it today, a lovely pattern for your backgrounds. Down below in the description you will find links on where you can get the kit. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you all next time.